This is my secret sharing scheme, given Shamir's secret sharing algorithm. And the way that this works is every independent person that wants to submit a shard submits a post request to the server-side script. What that looks like from the ESP32 side is in the body, it's got my Kerberos, the X value of the shard, and the Y value of the shard. Those values of the shard we get from a local script that just generates a random second order polynomial. So we have ax squared bx minus c, and then that c becomes the y-intercept when it's negated. And so this has generated some values for us. We have one shard on the Arduino that's -2, -7. And then here in Postman, I have a few dummy requests going. One of them has 2,29, and one of them has -9,84. And what this actually gets us is a y-intercept of 3. If you go ahead and plug this into NumPy, what this gives you is A is 2, B is Y, and C is 3. So this is the value that we want to be solving for in our script that's checking to see if people are submitting the correct shards. And if you have either too few shards, so let's say only 1 or 2 people have submitted shards, then NumPy is not going to be able to fit the polynomial correctly, and you're going to end up with values that are all over the place. If you have 3 correct shards, if you have any duplicate correct shards, that's okay. If you have 3 correct shards and a 4th or 5th incorrect shard, that's also going to result in an incorrect polynomial fit. And so that's not going to return this precious GIF that we have. What it's going to give you is just a sad face emoticon. And here's a demonstration of the system. Right here on the server page, you can see that it just gives us a sad face. I'm going to go ahead and push the button on the ESP. That's sent a post request. Coming here in Postman, we have a good value, and going over here, this successfully gives us our GIF that we had locked behind the passcode distributed. And what we're going to do is send those values again, just to be safe for the 30-second timeout. But instead, what we're going to do is send a bad value in addition. And what happens then is that bad value nullifies the polynomial and it no longer works. And this is how we ensure that we can handle a bad shard, get the key from correct shards, and make sure that we unlock it only when all of the shards submitted are correct and enough correct shards have been submitted given the size of the polynomial, according to Shamir's secret sharing scheme.